In this video, I'll show you how to change your location on Roblox. So first head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the settings icon in the top right hand side and then select settings. Scroll down to the account location section, and sometimes from here you'll be able to adjust this location manually. Now if you've changed this option in the past, then it's most likely not going to let you select this. So what you need to do instead is come up to the address bar at the top, and we're just going to get rid of all this and type in roblox.com/support and hit enter. And then you'll need to submit a support ticket to the Roblox team in order for them to manually change your location. So just fill out all of your information on the screen here. Make sure you type in the email address correctly, as that's what they'll be contacting you on. Then select the device as PC. Type of help category, just select technical support. And then you need to describe the issue. So what I would usually write here is, "Hi, I'm unable to change the location on my Roblox account. I'm no longer in the United Kingdom and my new location should be set to the US. Now obviously you need to change out these locations to whatever you want them changing to. And also you need to click on this second drop down and click on specific experience issue and then just press continue. Now you may get this verification page pop up, so you just need to go through the steps here. And once you've submitted that, you'll then receive an email to acknowledge your request. And you'll need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Roblox team to get back to you. And usually this is the amount of time it will take to have your location changed. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.